No sound comparison, question mark? Hey, where's the sound test? This mother effer didn't include a sound test in his review. WTF. Fine, you want a sound test? I'll give you a sound test. I'll give you an epic sound test with the JBL Xtreme, the JBL Pulse 3, the JBL Charge 3, the JBL Pulse 2, the JBL Flip 4, but wait, there's more, the Sony XB40 and the Bose Soundlink Revolve Plus. Hopefully this way you'll be able to sound test maybe half the speakers on the market right now. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you want to pick either of these speakers up, I'll have links down below, and I'll also have links for their individual reviews. Now, before we get started, I did try to introduce as many constant variables as possible. All of these speakers are playing at 60% volume in the same room, in the same spot, at the same distance away from the microphone, all playing from the same wireless source. So hopefully this way, the only independent variable here is going to be sound quality. So let's get started. Now, there you have it. Now keep in mind, the sound quality from these speakers recorded through my mic and played through your speakers isn't going to be a perfect depiction of their actual sound quality. But hopefully this video did help you out somehow. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go watch my other videos. I got a whole bunch. And I'll catch you guys next time. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It helps out more than you realize. For more product reviews and deal alerts, check out jimcaddy.net. If you want to support the channel, pick up a shirt. And I'll catch you next time.